Hi there everyone, Roberto here with Top 1 Marketing, again with another video. And what we're going to do today is we're going to just show you real quick a platform that we use that's called Placeit by Envato. And it's a website where you find ready to use premium templates that you can use for your endeavors, for your business, for your branding, for your customers, your clients, whatever it may be. There is a plethora of ready to use templates on this platform for anything. I mean, absolutely anything. You use this platform for your digital marketing assets and all of your needs here. So what is it that you can do with this website? So one of the things you could do is you can use it for mockups. They have like literally, it seems like an unlimited amount of mockups. And so if you don't know what mockups are, these are the mockups. It's basically, merchandise and, things, products that you might, sell, like t-shirts and, coffee mugs, and sweaters and hats and just all kinds of stuff that you would sell either locally or on the internet. And they have a whole bunch of templates that you can use. The other thing that they have is they have all kinds of designs. And so one thing I wanted to mention, they have the categories right here on the left side. And so you can just go straight to a category. And so you have all kinds of designs here for, t-shirt designs and Instagram stories and Twitch templates, YouTube templates, just all kinds of designs that you can use for your business. And then you got logos. You have a logo maker here, so it just asks you for the name, pick an industry. Okay, click on let's go, and it will give you a bunch of templates that you can use, and you can edit and do whatever you like with these templates. Okay, I'm gonna click on this one and take you in there just to give you a quick view of the editor. So right here you got the editor. You can change the color. You can change the text. You can change the tagline text. And so yeah. Next thing is videos. They have like an unlimited, like for real, a whole lot of video templates, from product demos to Instagram videos, slideshows, just all kinds of videos that you can edit to your liking. And then they have a gaming category as well. If you're into gaming, then there's a bunch of templates here as well. So there is a bunch of templates on this platform. I highly recommend it. We use it for our own businesses. We use it for our clients' businesses. We use it for our YouTube channels, our Facebook fan pages. We use this for all kinds of stuff, and we recommend it to you as well. You can sign up with a free account. Obviously it'll be limited, and the assets, the designs you make will be branded, and there's certain limitations with a free account. But but if you sign up, give it a walkthrough, check it out. If you're interested, you can subscribe. If this video was helpful, give us a like, a share, subscribe to our channel so that the next time we upload one of these videos, you'll get notified. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.